I'm Miles Mason, author of the Forensic Accounting Deskbook, a practical guide to financial investigation and analysis for family lawyers. It is published by the American Bar Association. It is an easy-to-follow introduction into the world of forensic accounting and managing divorce litigation involving complex assets. Written primarily for family lawyers, forensic accountants and individuals going through divorce can also learn how to recognize when an opposing spouse might be manipulating financial records and sharing misleading financial disclosures. I really enjoyed writing the book. Because I'm a lawyer and a CPA, I really love writing and speaking about where the universes of divorce, forensic accounting, and business valuation intersect. It took me about 15 months to write the Forensic Accounting Deskbook. I started the book as a compilation of the seminars I had taught, but ended up adding much more. When I started writing and speaking about forensic accounting 14 years ago, not much was out there. Now there are a number of credentials available to accountants to designate themselves as forensic accountants, including the CFF and CFFA. My goal was simple. I wanted to write a book for lawyers, forensic accountants, and persons going through divorce that explains who forensic accountants are, what they do in divorce cases, and why they do it. There are many great books already written for forensic accountants by forensic accountants about their technical craft. In a very practical way, my book describes the connective tissue among the various aspects of forensic accounting, family law, procedure, and evidence. It guides lawyers who are not financial experts through managing a divorce case with the help of a forensic accountant against a business owner's spouse suspected of hiding assets and income, or who has a spouse with complex compensation such as stock options, bonuses, and pensions. The book also describes in detail how to challenge an opposing forensic accountant, especially those who may not be quite ready for the witness chair. In divorce, the opposing spouse's submission of false financial information can adversely affect a person's property division, child support, and alimony. Financial documents and accounting concepts are at the core of all asset identification, classification, and valuation, as well as income determination. The Forensic Accounting Deskbook connects the dots and fills gaps among the interrelated topics of written discovery, depositions, schemes to defraud, manipulation of company books, expert witness reports, forensic accounting methodology and techniques, financial statements, tax returns, stock options, pensions, depositions, and trial testimony. Forensic accountants will benefit from reading the Forensic Accounting Deskbook by adding depth of knowledge to why their services are needed, the procedural rules and discovery opportunities involved with their work, and how to better sell their services. The book informs family lawyers about the mechanics and details of direct and cross-examination, professional standards, and ethics. These are all topics forensic accountants should know cold, but many don't. Included are several sections of detailed sample questions for deposition and trial testimony, which are common to many types of divorce and family law related forensic accounting engagements. Individuals going through divorce may also find the Forensic Accounting Deskbook helpful because the book is written for persons who do not have expertise in finance and accounting. The book's central focus explains the roles performed by family lawyers and forensic accounting experts in litigation, as well as the process of contesting a divorce with complex financial issues. A higher level of understanding of the financial aspects of divorce can only lead to making better decisions. You can find ordering information and links on www.forensicaccountingdeskbook.com. The book is available for purchase now on the American Bar Association bookstore website. We anticipate it being available on Amazon.com in the very near future. When that happens, we'll have all of that information on www.forensicaccountingdeskbook.com. I practice family law exclusively in Memphis, Tennessee with my firm, Miles Mason Family Law Group, PLC. Leadership and service to the bar are priorities. I am past chair of the Tennessee Bar Association Family Law Section. I'm an active member of the American Bar Association's Family Law Section, having spoken at its conferences, written for publication, served on its CLE committee, and now serve as its liaison to the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, which is like the ABA for accountants. My speaking engagements center around complex financial matters in divorce, forensic accounting, and business valuation. Some of my favorite speaking has been at the AICPA's National Business Valuation Conference and National Forensic Accounting Conference, the American Bar Association Family Law Section Conferences, and the NACVA IBA annual conferences. I've also presented seminars for the Tennessee Bar Association, Tennessee Society of CPAs, Mississippi Society of CPAs, and other local and regional professional groups. Attendees typically include judges, lawyers, forensic accountants, business valuation experts, and psychologists. I have spoken in many cities, including New York City, Boston, Chicago, Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Diego, Dallas, Denver, Orlando, and Las Vegas, in addition to Memphis, Nashville, Knoxville, and Chattanooga. I've also authored articles for many national and regional publications. I'm a member of the American, Tennessee, and Memphis Bar Association's Family Law sections, the AICPA and its Forensic and Valuation Services section, and the Tennessee Society of CPAs and its Forensic and Valuation Services sections. To learn more about my divorce and family law practice, please see memphisdivorce.com. You can also find me on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I would like to especially thank Jim Webb, who helped me a great deal with the book. I would also like to thank all of the forensic accountants and business valuation experts listed in my acknowledgments pages in my book. Many are the most important leaders in forensic accounting today. Two in particular are Daryl Durrell from Portland, Oregon, and Michael Kaplan from Los Angeles. Without everyone's help, the book would have not been possible. Thank you.